Hey guys, hey, how are you? I hope you can hear me. It's a little noisy out. So, it's Deani Winter Funday, your immigration law attorney. I talked to you briefly this morning about my interview. It was an adjustment of status interview at the West Palm Beach field office. It was an adjustment of status. It means somebody got married. Let me take the mask off so I can talk to you. Somebody got married and we were petitioning for them. The husband, the spouse, is petitioning for the wife. And I kind of talked about what the interview was going to be like. Well, this one went pretty good, I think. It was a really good interview. In fact, we got an approval on the spot, which is not common, because a couple of things could have happened. The officer could have said, look, I need to look over this file some more in order to make a decision, or the officer could have asked us for more information. Instead, the officer was able to conduct the interview, ask the question, and then they made a decision on the spot. I want you to go to my website, www.winterimmigration.com, and download the adjustment of status ebook that I have there, because I use that with all my adjustment interviews. And let me tell you, it's like gold, because I follow the steps every single time. When I'm doing an adjustment of status interview, these are the steps that I use, and I get the same results. Like, what documents do I include? It's in that little ebook on winterimmigration.com. How to prepare for the interview, it's in that little ebook. The possible questions, like, I think my clients were over prepared because I prepped them. I have about 100 questions that I go through all the time just to get my clients prepped up. Like, what are the possible questions that you could be asked during an interview? I'm on my way back from West Palm Beach, heading back to Tampa, and this is a field office that I stopped at. But definitely the ebook will really help you answer some of those tough questions that you can expect during an interview. I don't know what else I can add about that interview, because it was such a good one. It was, every now and again, as a practitioner, you get one of those good cases. You have good cases, good facts, good documentation. And let me tell you this couple does not live together. A lot of people think, oh, you have to live together in order to file an adjustment application. No. However, they could show a lot of documentation as to why they were not residing together, meaning the husband is employed overseas. He has his letter of employment, and the wife goes to school here in the United States. So she has proof that she's attending school. On top of that, there are lots of documentation to show why this couple is not physically living together. We submitted a lease where they have a joint lease anyway. We submitted bills, joint bills. We submitted all these evidence to support the fact that, look, officer, even though my couple is not residing together, there is a marital home. I think that's a big mistake that a lot of people make in thinking they have to live together, or they don't understand that living separately, you can still show there's a bona fide marriage, and here are the reasons why. So, to repeat, if you're not living together in a marriage and you're filing an application to adjust your status based on that marriage, it is super duper important that you have lots of evidence to show why you are living separately, and to also combat that and say, look, here is proof that we have a marital home and we're living as a bona fide couple. It cannot be that you live in Texas, she lives in New York, and you don't even see each other. You don't have any joint bills. You don't have anything joint to show that you are maintaining a marital home. I hope this helps. And until next time, my friends, this is Deani Winter Funday of Winter Immigration and Winter Law Practice, and the Immigration Law Academy. And what else do I do? Oh, that's it. It's all immigration. But what good, guys? Like and subscribe.